And I have a question for you because, like, a lot of people, when they're trying to pursue betterment, whether it's on the back of a substance or whether it's just kind of doing the quote unquote work, they'll turn towards like a traditional therapist versus a personal coach, so to speak. I know that there are probably some overlaps and some similarities between the two, but where does one world in your eyes end and the next world begin from the standpoint of therapy versus the personal coach?
Yeah, I that's a great question, and I think a lot of people have it. There are a lot of similarities and things that overlap. I feel because I actually have a personal therapist that I go to, and these are conversations that we've had. But in my experience, therapy deals a lot with the past and trying to work through past experiences and traumas and kind of stay in the past in a sense,
Hmm.
where coaching is a lot more future oriented. It's what are we working towards? What are some of the goals that you have that you're um, limiting yourself from, exploring? Let's work
Hmm.
on how we can get you there, as opposed to let's go back into the past, uproot some things, kind of work on the healing that's required to maybe work through traumas and those kind of things. Um, and that's not to say that that doesn't get touched on with coaching, but it's just in my personal experience, coaching has a lot more to do with the future as opposed to the past.
I think that's a pretty clear and understandable model for the layman to understand. I think that's great. Thank you. Um,
Absolutely.